Man does not live by blank alone. Man does not live by blank alone. Is it number one, food? Number two, bread. Number three, meals. Or number four, diet? What is your choice? Okay, number 36, IC2s. Man does not live by, tumpak na choice natin dito is number two. No? So actually, biblical siya, di ba? So this is the complete, no? Ito yung kompleto nating version. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God. No? That's from Matthew 4:4. No? So yan po. Ang ibig sabihin yan, man shall not live by bread alone. This means that people need more than material things to truly live, no? Hindi sapat kumbaga yung mga material na bagay, no? So sa ating pamumuhay, dapat of course we do good, no? Base sa word of God. Okay? So yan po yung ibig sabihin. So number two, bread, ang ating tumpak na choice. So medyo medyo bias siya na item kasi kung hindi ka familiar dito, no, kung hindi ka Kristiyano, maaring hindi siya familiar sa inyo, no? But being a Filipino, of course, we are predominantly Christian, no? So maaring makita nyo ito, yung ating item na ganito sa ating pong actual na exam.